Something that I've noticed that I have a lot of Aquarius in me, but I think that's a Gen Z thing. I have 3 Aquarius more than Pisces, and someone told me. So, ha? May stofal video! No pala! I don't know still what I'm gonna be drawing, but I'm gonna scroll through Pinterest and find some images to draw. I don't know if I want to represent my signs as like Capricorn, Pisces, or bring different elements to my drawing. Yeah, I think it's gonna be interesting because I don't do a lot of this stuff, and also, any of you are interested in astrology. Also, I was getting hooked up on TikTok by watching this stuff, and the healing, grounding, and the sounds, the frequency sounds, I was getting so into, and I want to learn more about crystals. A lot of people, I see that they really like when I show my art process, so we're gonna get 3 raw here. So you're gonna be watching me right now and see. Usually it doesn't take me so much time, but this one will be really constructed. I want to represent something with Pisces, the opposite sides, because they always see in black and white. There's one in the middle, and that screams so much my art. Also, this will be my not entirely drawing, only portraits. I'm gonna be drawing like animals a lot through this. Only face that will be me, but from my imagination. But the ones that I only have, I can do like this using ink. Also, I'm talking really like it's an ASMR thing. I'm shy. Do I have some things? Oh. I'm gonna reuse this one, even though it has a drawing behind. I'm gonna find a way to find a black pen to use. This one I did for my college, the last exam of going into art school, which is, I wish I could have done it better, but I don't really like it. I know this was supposed to be like a from nothing, but I think this one, like, it's cool. Like, it already gives me some vibes, and I can draw, and it's not me though. I'm gonna do this one because I don't have any paper, and we need to improvise here, and I might use something like this. It gives you tingles. What the fuck? But we're gonna start right now. A time lapse. You're gonna see it right now. What am I saying?
At the back of our school was like an alley, and I was in like 3rd grade, and there was this chick I had a crush on, and we were walking back there, and then I held her hand, and then she kept holding my hand, and then we walked to right before you walk out the alley, and she turned and gave me a kiss on my lips, and let go of my hand and ran into like fucking recess, and I was like, yo.
update. It's currently 11:37 p.m. It's almost midnight, and this is, oh my god, this is what the final piece is gonna be looking like in traditional, because I'm gonna edit this one out and you're gonna be seeing how I will be translating this into a digital drawing, because I wanted to put some other elements of my zodiac sign but with colors and all in Procreate. And yeah, I think I love this piece a lot. Maybe something that doesn't resonate with me a lot is this face, which it doesn't really make sense at all, and I look like shit right now as always. Didn't change anything, but and this is a self-portrait of me from imagination with my style, and I'm really loving drawing myself and learning more to know more myself, which is the purpose of this video. And yeah, I think I'm gonna lay in bed and I'm gonna do some digital until I fall asleep. And yeah, if this is the last part of the video, you're gonna see it. Also, this is my 7th video I'm doing, and I think I'm getting more comfortable with filming myself, but not to the point I'm still me, like the truest, because I still feel subconscious doing this. But I'm really happy because it motivates even me more. I'm gonna say thank you for keeping up with me with this video, and if you want to see more, please like this video, comment anything you can do, and please subscribe so I can do more videos like this and show more of my art. And yeah, it's been Clyde, and yeah, bye.